really cleans, like removing bacteria without chemicals.
This I gotta see. Andy Wise gets all scientific to find out, will it work?
It'll take a lab and more than a few smears to test the claims and cleaning properties of the Norwex Anti-Bac microfiber cloth. $32 for a starter pack. Sold online and by consultants at parties, the Norwex Anti-Bac microfiber cloth wipes away toothpaste smears in the bathroom. Windows fingerprinted and doggy licked? Norwex has them licked.
And it will clean the butter off.
Even greasy granite countertops.
There's no residue left behind and you're cleaning without chemicals.
Remember that buttered oven? Left side, clean with the chemicals of an all-purpose cleaner. Right side, the Norwex cloth and water. No chemicals. Impressive, but not half as impressive as Norwex's Anti-Bac claim.
Inside is silver embedded within the cloth. Any germs are killed and destroyed by the silver within 24 hours after use.
Is that a legitimate claim?
Yes, silver has long been used as an antimicrobial.
Bridget Fisher is the microbiology lab coordinator at the University of Memphis. She says the silver inside the Norwex cloth won't kill bacteria, but yes, it should remove it, at least some of it, from a surface.
We have coated these sterile Petri dishes with E. coli.
E. coli?
Yes. And
fecal contamination.
Yes.
Okay. Some of the dishes we leave untreated. Others, we spray a paper towel with a popular all-purpose cleaner, then wipe the dishes. Others, we wipe with a generic microfiber towel soaked in sterile water. Then others are wiped with the Norwex Anti-Bac cloth, also soaked in sterilized water. Fisher stores them all in an incubator for 24 hours. 24 hours later, she removes the dishes, calculates the amount of E. coli bacteria removed, and blows us away.
I found that the Norwex cloth could reduce the bacteria that we recovered from the surface by 92%.
Norwex removed 92% of the bacteria with just the cloth and water and no chemicals. The generic microfiber cloth and water removed 84%. The all-purpose cleaner with a paper towel, 0%. It removed none of the bacteria.
When cleaning a spill in your home, that perhaps a cloth is better than using a paper towel and cleaner alone.
And the Norwex Anti-Bac cloth stands alone as the winner in reducing surface bacteria. It does really work, and it is a wise buy. Don't buy it until Andy tries it. Tweet me what you want tested at AndyWise5, and you just might get on the show. Andy, will it work? Only on Action News 5.
Well, I was looking for something better to clean my house with. Tomorrow night at 10 o'clock, Andy's making a mess of a bunch of stuff that even himself to test a treatment that claims to make all kinds of surfaces never wet. Andy and you will find out, will it work, tomorrow at 10.
Hey, we noticed some lights downtown. Let's check out this picture here down at the pyramid. Some blue lights. Look at that. We really don't know exactly what's up with this, but sure looks good and sort of keeps